How to change avatar on Gate.io or the Gate application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Changing your avatar on Gate application is quite simple. First of all, launch open the Gate app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the upper left corner and tap on your avatar. From here, tap on your name at the top and then tap the pencil button right above the avatar at the top left. From here, you can go ahead and upload an avatar if there is one. If not, tap on the upload button and tap on the camera icon to upload photos from your device's camera roll. Now, from the menu, go ahead and select one of your photo you'd like to use and click on the tick mark at the top right. Once you do that, select your photo once again and then adjust the photo within the frame and click done. Now tap save and you have successfully uploaded an avatar or a picture for yourself on your profile picture. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.